If you feel something in your heart and know it resonates within you as something you should try, yet you hold back out of fear, you set yourself up for regret. Make no mistake about it, regret is an appalling waste of energy. You cannot build on it. You cannot grow from it. All you can do is wallow in frustration. Whatever you feel deeply about but fail to act on will cause you regret. The words you didn't say for fear of being ridiculed, the action you failed to take for fear of failing, the trip you didn't take for fear of being alone, are the stairs that lead one step at a time to the attic of despair in your later years. As Whittier puts it so succinctly, God pity them both and pity us all who vainly the dreams of youth recall.